Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video we are going to be packing for Las Vegas. So whenever I take a trip, no matter where I go, I love to take, and I have to take, a perfume for me. You know, you can't be walking the strip or chilling or going out to dinner without smelling good, right? So today's video is brought to you by Dossier, and they are a perfume brand and they sell designer dupes from brands like Tom Ford, and they start at $29. Designer dupes, okay? They sell perfumes for men and women, so me and y'all can get you something too. And also they are vegan and cruelty free. You need that, right? I love affordable stuff. So let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so it comes packaged like this, and the scent I got is Fruity Jasmine. Smells amazing. I like fruity floral scents, so this is what it looks like. You guys, I'm gonna be smelling so good on date night. I'm gonna be smelling amazing. This is what it comes like, and this is 1 ounce, because y'all know you can use some affordable stuff, and it smells amazing, you guys. So I have Fruity Jasmine. It has mandarin, green leaves, sweet pea. That's the top notes. And the middle notes, oh my gosh, y'all, it's jasmine, lang lang, peach, sandalwood, plum, and musk. You guys, it smells amazing. I love this so much. I cannot wait to take this with me on vacation. It's gonna be a good trip. So if you guys want to check it out, you can go ahead and use my code. I also have it linked below. If you planning on taking a trip, you want to smell nice, and you going on a date night, whatever you're doing, shopping, you want to put a little couple sprays on you before you go, check this out. Starting at $29 for a designer dupe, almost like the real thing, but you're not paying the real price. So please check it out. So without further ado, y'all gonna come and pack with me, and I want to give a huge shout out to Dossier for working with me and sending me this perfume, because I love it, y'all. I'm about to be smelling so good. But make sure you check it out. Click that link in the description box, and yeah, y'all, let's get on with the pack with me. All right, you guys, so I wanted to show y'all real quick how I'm about to pack for Vegas. Everything is all a mess, and it's just in shambles. In the living room, I'm currently packing. It is about to be 1 o'clock in the morning. I literally just found out about this trip like a couple hours ago, which I don't mind. I just bought some new clothes from Fashion Nova, so we literally gonna be there. We are going to be there from we're gonna have Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, and we're gonna leave Friday morning. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have an outfit for Tuesday night, I'm gonna have an outfit for Wednesday morning and Wednesday night. So basically, let me see, so I got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so I need 3 nighttime outfits. This is what I'm taking, and since we are going to not be there for that long, I'm literally just taking a carry-on, and I have to sneeze. First things first, I think I'm gonna start with the small stuff. So basically, I wanted to show you guys, this is just my makeup thing. I'll have everything linked below if y'all are interested, but those are my brushes. This is the same one I used when I went and did my packing with Jamaica video. I love this palette so much, you guys. It is basically a face palette, and it's pretty vulgar, nesting face. But I love this so much because it has the highlighters, the blush, the I'm so tired I can't even think, the contour, bronzer. So I love that. And then this palette I literally just picked up from Ulta Beauty like 2 weeks ago. LA Girl, Hey Hey Vacay. So perfect, right? That's the palette, and as y'all can see, I have already used it. Oh gosh. That's the palette, and as you guys can see, I have already used it. I'm gonna just quickly go over everything. I got some makeup removing wipes. I love this so much. Smashbox Photo Finish. It's a primer, and it's also a color corrector. Love it. I got some new foundation. This is Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Love this stuff. Setting powder, edge control, more highlighter, some lippy stuff. I got some lashes in there too. Some lashes. The Ardell Wispies. Love those. But yeah. So I basically got all of that stuff. And then I want to show you guys some of the things that I'm packing. I have some lotion, deodorant, CeraVe. It's a facial moisturizing lotion, and I love this because it also has sunscreen in it. This is an eye repair cream for my dark circles. I have sensitive skin, so I'm taking my own body wash. And then that is, oh, this is my Vajay wash. It's basically Summer's Eve. I normally use this, but this is 5 ounces, and I didn't know how it was gonna do putting it in one of those bottles. Q-tips, lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash. Yeah. All right, y'all, so do not pay attention to the rest of the house. Everything is a mess. My camera's probably gonna be running out soon, so I want to keep things quick. But this is my carry-on. Basically, if y'all follow me, you've been following me for a while, I literally just take all my stuff and roll it up. So I have all my nighttime outfits, and I'm literally just going to take them, and I think they call this military style. I am literally going to roll them up and just place them in there. Y'all, tell me why I only got black. So anyways, it's gonna work. Oh, can't forget the tie for that. I got some hair jewels, just, you know, like dress things up a little bit. So I'm gonna throw those up in there. And then I got a dress, another Fashion Nova dress. Now this one is super dressy, so I got this as well. I'm trying not to pack too much, so I'm only taking what I'm literally going to be wearing. So got that, and then we literally gonna be there for 2 full days. So Wednesday all day, Thursday all day. So I got literally 2 outfits, 2 comfy outfits, because bro, Vegas is hot. So also, you guys, in here I have, this is another book bag. I believe I got this from Target as well. I have my phone charger in here. I'm also going to be bringing my battery charger for my camera because I plan on vlogging. Itinerary. Always got to have your itinerary. And I always print one out, because what if you didn't download it on your phone and you're trying to pull it up and then your phone connection's messing up, there ain't no Wi-Fi. So I always print you out one. And then I have these bathtub covers. Whenever I go to the hotel, I bring these because I do not like to go and get in a tub and there's hair that's floating in there, or you can see the dirt and it's not from you. You know what I'm saying? So this is the Vaseline that I got, and I told y'all everything is all amuck. But yeah, so I think that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw everything else up in here, bras, underwear, all that stuff, because it's a carry-on, so I don't want it to be too heavy. So basically this is my outfit, and I'll probably insert some pictures of the outfit that I'm taking. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry I'm looking all crusty right now, but I wanted to come on here real quick and just show you guys how I'm packing for Vegas. I got some nice shoes, I got some basic shoes, and I'm gonna bring probably a pair of tennis, and we're gonna keep it simple because we're not gonna be there that long. So enjoy the video. The link for Dossier will be in the description box. Check it out. The scent I got, I love so much. I'm gonna be smelling so fine in Vegas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in another video. And if y'all going somewhere, let me know down in the comments. I love to know where you're going. If you're going somewhere, have a good time. Peace. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. In here, I'll be putting like snacks, medicines, and my laptop. Snacks, medicine, and my laptop will also be in this bag, along with any other chargers and stuff like that.